Hi everyone, so today we have Ricoh IM 2702. So the problem of this one is always this error is always coming up every now and then. Okay, so I need to reset every time. So this time I need to check the fuser film and check with the thermistor or any other parts like lamp. So what I did because the problem is always persist, and it's not normal that after you reset after 1 day or 2 days it will again give you the same error. So here I must remove the fuser assembly. Okay, so this one this two screw, this is the thermistor. Okay, so I need to check first. I need to remove the two screw. Okay, it's from the outer part of the assembly. When you see, this is the good angle. That two is the thermistor. It's like a sensor. Okay, so if this one have problem, like it cannot detect the temperature of the upper roller, upper what do you call that one? Okay, so this time I noticed that there is some dry toner in the thermistor. Okay, so maybe it creates heat, so that's why it's you see that one, some small particles. So what I did is I need to clean this the area of the thermistor sensor. Okay, this one I need to clean with tissue, dry tissue. You see there is some, I need to scratch the area to make it perfectly clean. No, it's no water, it's just like clean tissue. Same with this one, the other side. Okay, simple, just rub the tissue and that's it. Okay, and since I already removed this from the copier machine, so I make also a visual inspection of the lamp, okay, and other parts. So I need to unscrew everything. There is a 4 screw from the left and right part of the assembly. Okay, so this is general maintenance of this fuser assembly. After the inspection and cleaning of the thermistor sensor and the other components, it's looks fine. Everything is normal. Okay, so I need to return all the screws and the proper position of the sensor, and after that I installed it in the machine. Okay, but unfortunately I lost the video of during the process for reseating and the installation of the user assembly, but it's easy, you know. I have some other videos regarding this one, I think, in my channel. Okay, so after the reset, until now the printer is working normal without any problem like the one that I encountered before with the same error. Okay, just what I did is just I cleaned the thermistor sensor this time and the problem is fixed. And that's all for today. I hope you guys like the video. Please like and subscribe. It's a big help for my channel. So see you in the next video. Bye.